Shakepay. This is a platform I just started using recently, okay? And it's pretty much phenomenal. They only cover Bitcoin and Ethereum. Easiest way for Canadians to buy and sell Bitcoin, okay? Same thing, e-transfer in and out. Takes 10 minutes to buy your first Bitcoin. Over 750 million in digital currency bought and sold. Over 150,000 Canadians served, okay? Lightning fast, commission free again. Not bad. 0 fees. Good support. I've had success with them. I really like them. I like their fee schedule, right? It's $0 commissions. I love it. All right. Free to deposit. Yeah. Outgoing, even free to withdraw. Minor fees are also covered by Shakepay, so you're not paying any minor fees either. So in and out of this platform, it's great, right? And once again, they're doing the same thing. When you buy, you're paying a spread price. So they're making a little bit of margin on the price of Bitcoin or Ethereum so that they make that margin so they can cover their costs of their business, okay? That's exactly what it is. Yeah. What is also really cool about this platform is it's called Shaking for Sats, which is shaking for Satoshis, which does it even say it here? You literally take your phone, okay? I think I did my daily shake already. But you literally take your phone and you shake it, and then you get, it says, oh, you got rewarded a certain amount of Satoshis. Oh, I earned 810 Satoshis. You earn Bitcoin for free. Look, I shook my phone, got free Bitcoin. Okay, guys? I'm on a 9-day streak. So that's free Bitcoin. So that's fun. All right. I'm not going to lie to you. This guy pops up. I look forward to it every single day. So I look forward to this every single day. I shake my sats. That doesn't sound right, but that's what you're doing, shaking for sats, and you get free Bitcoin. So I got a few dollars already just shaking this thing. Another cool thing, you guys get $30. You guys get $30 when you invest $100. Deposit 100, you get 30. That's a 30% gain on your initial investment. Oh man, I got these things popping up. All right. You get a 30% gain on your $100 investment with Shakepay. Plus it's fun because you can shake and get free Satoshis. So this is one of my new favorites, I'll be honest with you. And the app is super clean. And when you buy, it's so simple. They do have some graphs in here, which are nice. You can have a day view, etc. Really, really nice app. And you know, the daily shake adds up, guys. The daily shake adds up. But I really love their incentive program. $30 is generous right now. I think it will get knocked down. So make sure you guys take action and get in. Once you pass the KYC, like the photo ID and all that stuff, then you get your bonus. Okay. I really like this platform, guys. I really like this platform. You can read more about it. I have my link in the description below for your free $30 if you sign up for Shakepay.